Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Ford Galaxy Titanium. This car comes with the hybrid 2.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULS compliant, producing 187 brake horsepower and while still returning up to an impressive 43 miles to the gallon. This is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 33,000 miles and comes with full service history from Ford. As you can see, the black paintwork looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, I think you've got a nice clean interior. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and full window switches. The Galaxy is a great car for the family, so nice wide and tall door opening here at the back. The centre bench can also be moved back and forth, and rear passengers have 3 individual seat belts, as well as the fold-away picnic tables, the air vents and the charging ports just below. And it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Ford as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a really good sized boot with the third row seat up there to show you the space. But with the third row seats folded completely, you've got a really good sized boot, and there's also some extra storage just below the boot floor as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or would like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.